Good morning, everyone. I'm back again from Superstore. It's a local chain of grocery stores here in Canada. And I got some items here that I want to share with you. So I'm going to start with the non-food items. I got 2 boxes of facial tissues. I believe they're $1.77 each. I also got 2 all-purpose pot scrubbers and Gain fabric softener and Gain panlaba. I also got another dishwashing soap, Palmolive, and paper towel, and we also have our roll of bathroom tissue. Onto our meats and delis. I didn't get a lot because around 10 days ago we just went to Costco, and I think my meat supply is still enough to last us about another week. So I just got this Angus beef burger. They're antibiotic and hormone free. I'm gonna use it in one of my recipes for tomorrow. I also got some honey ham. They're also preservative free, and bacon. And I also have this imitation crab that I'm gonna use in a salad that I'm gonna make. Here naman, we have our veggies and fruits. To start off, I have a whole bag of black plums. I don't know if they're sweet or not. We'll give it a try later. And they're priced at $2.93. I also have a whole head of cauliflower. I wanna just make probably a cauliflower rice. I think it's an in thing today. It's healthier, so I'll give it a try. I also have a bunch of tomatoes over there, also some eggplants. I also have another type of tomatoes. This one is good for snacking. I give this to the kids for lunch to snack on. And then this is my garlic that's been peeled. It's a time saver for me. I really love buying this. Also got a few items that are organic. To start with, I have my organic spinach, romaine lettuce. I only get organic apples and my organic bananas. The reason why I'm getting organic for some items because I read somewhere that apples are the dirtiest fruit, or one of the dirtiest fruit in terms of pesticides. So I think the lists includes apples, strawberries, and spinach. But sometimes this romaine lettuce, they're on sale, so I buy them organic. So there you go. I have a whole bag, siguro a few pieces pala of mushrooms. Sitaw over there. I think I'm gonna make pinakbet again. I have asparagus here. I'm gonna make a vegetable side dish with feta cheese and bacon, and I'm gonna show you in one of my videos soon. I also have 3 pieces of English cucumber. I have sayote or chayote. I'm gonna make tinolang manok for my husband this week. This is a bag of a bunch of cilantro that I'm gonna make for my Vietnamese pork today. Also have green onions, and a bag of oranges. Right over here, I needed another pack of garlic powder. This is my spring roll wrapper that I'm gonna thaw because I'm making lumpiang Shanghai today. This is my wonton wrapper for my siomai. This is feta cheese. I have, oh yeah, here. I know I have 2. So there you go. I have 2 cans of tuna in oil. They're $2.59 each. I have 4 cans of tuna in water. They are $1 each, so I grabbed 4. This is my lactose-free sour cream. I have whipping cream. I have, of course, my vanilla almond milk, my dark chocolate almond milk, orange juice. We have eggs and fettuccine pasta, because I'm gonna make carbonara, or my mom's version of carbonara, for my brother's birthday tomorrow. And then my daughter wanted dried cranberries. She also wanted cheddar bunnies. They're snack crackers. And this is a snack for my son specifically. Tofu dessert. It's a peach mango flavor. So I got 2. I believe they're $1.10 or just $1 each. It's not a bad deal, eh? And we have water chestnuts for my shomai. Forgot to show you quail eggs. And I got 3 cans of this Aroidi coconut milk. This is my favorite. It costs $1.98 each. Peanut butter. We have olive oil on that side. And this is dark chocolate and cherry granola. This is good to put on top of your chia seed pudding or your plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt. And my son wanted me to get him some bars that are peanut free, of course. So I got 2 boxes of this Quaker chewy bars. One is peach fruit crumble and the other one is banana chocolate chip. So there you go, guys. The total price of my grocery was $216.91. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you had fun watching. Have a good day. Bye.